how to share playlists on Apple Music. So it's real easy to do on your iPhone here. So what you want to do is go to your Apple Music, and you just want to go to your library at the bottom right hand corner, and you want to go to the playlist section wherever it may be in your library. And then all you have to do from this point, so let's say I want to share this playlist of Christmas songs here. All you have to do is click and hold, and you'll get some options here, and you'll see the share button there. So you can share it through this window here with other iPhone contacts or airdropping it to your computer. But if you want to, you can also copy the share link. So we can go ahead and hit copy at the bottom left-hand corner. And then go ahead to your messages, and we can just find somebody to share this with. And in a text message, you would go ahead and click and hold and hit paste. And then your playlist would pop up, and you could share that with anyone that you want. Even if they don't have a iPhone, they'll still get the information of the playlist. And that's it. That's how you'd go